Today is an invitation to women and girls all around the UK to come together in the four political capitals of London, Edinburgh, Belfast and Cardiff to process in the colours of the suffragettes in green, white and violet, which stood for Give Women Votes, to pay tribute really to the suffragettes and the suffragists who 100 years ago achieved something quite remarkable, which is the first women in the UK getting the vote and also the right for women to stand for Parliament. It's a living portrait of women in the 21st century. We'll all be swathed in these wonderful scarves of green, white and violet, and we will create ourselves in procession the colours of the flag of the suffragettes. But also there have been 100 artists working with 100 communities and arts organisations all around the UK to create the most incredible banners, inspired by those banners of the suffragists and the suffragettes 100 and more years ago, but expressing the preoccupations and concerns of women right now and women today.
Well, look, it's a really momentous year. You know, it's a whole century since the first women got the right to vote. So it's really essential that we mark this moment. And in a way, we need to thank those suffragettes and suffragists who fought so hard to get the vote. I mean, it's extraordinary to think 50 years it took them to secure the vote. So it's really right that we mark that.
It's amazing looking at the banners from 1918 and all of the artwork that went into that, and we're still kind of doing the same thing and I guess paying tribute to that as well is quite special, I think.
What I'm thinking about is the unity of it, and how it isn't often enough that you get women together to unite behind a cause. It's very rare, I think, and I think the more we do it, the more we can strengthen our voices and our position in society.
I think we can look back and pay tribute to the women who worked so hard to give rights and votes to women 100 years ago, and we can also look at the women who've achieved so much over the last 100 years, and women today who are fighting in the Me Too campaign and others to really get women true equality. And I think we can all recognise that we haven't yet got there, so there's plenty more to do, and that's part of what this procession is about.
I do feel empowered, and it's been a building of that over the weeks. So this is like the culmination of that, to actually take part in it after all this time and all the work that's gone in. I think I feel stronger, and I really hope that all the women taking part have a sense of that. And also to continue it, to not just let it drop. Because for myself, I don't think that voting is enough on its own. I think once a person votes, they need to continue to take action to make sure the things they want to happen. So I'm hoping that for myself as well, can't really talk for other people, but that I am inspired to keep doing what I need to do to stay empowered.